Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x. This is equal to 30. So what is the value of x? Solution. So we have 4 to power x. This is equal to 30. So we can be able to solve for the value of x by introducing the natural logarithm on both sides. So that will have log 4 to power x. This is equal to log 30. Now to solve for this value of x, log 4 to power x, this is actually in the form of log 4 to power, this is actually in the form of log 8 to power n, which you can express as n log a. So applying this logarithm identity, we'll have x log 4, this is equal to log 30. So divide both signs by log 4 by log 4. So that here we simplify, so that x is equal to log 30 divided by log 4. Now from what we have here, we can express 30. 30 can be expressed as 6 multiplied by 5. Okay? We can also express 4 as 2 times 2, which is 2 to power 2. Okay? So this means that the value of x will be equal to log 30 is the same thing as 6 multiplied by 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Let's proceed. Now we have x is equal to log 6 multiplied by 5, which is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, so x is equal to log 6 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Okay? So from what we have here, x is equal to, now we can express log 6 as log, this is 2 multiplied by 3 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Okay, so let's proceed further. So x is equal to log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Okay, now once more, x is equal to, this is log 2 divided by, now log 2 to power 2 can be expressed as 2 log 2 plus, now this is log 3 divided by log 2 to power 2 can be expressed as 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2 can be expressed as 2 log 2. Okay, so let's proceed. So we'll have log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that x is equal to half plus, now we'll have half log 3 divided by log 2 can be expressed as log 3 to base 2 plus, now this again can be expressed as half log 5 divided by log 2 can be expressed as log 5 to base 2. Now, as you can see, the value of x is equal to half plus half log 3 to base 2 plus half log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify that this value of x, which is a half plus a half log 3 to base 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end at 4 to power x. This should give us a value of 30. Substituting the value of x, we'll have 4 to power a half plus a half log 3 to base 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2. This is actually supposed to give us a value of 30. Now we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So that we'll have 2 to power 2 multiplied by, now this is a half plus a half log 3 to base 2 plus again a half log 5 to base 2. This is equal to 30. So we simplify here. These 2 and 2 simplify, 2 and 2 here simplifies, and again 2 and these 2 simplify, so that we'll have 2 raised to power. Now here we'll have 1 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 30. Now, as you can see, 2 raised to power 1 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2. This is actually in the form of 8 power n plus m, which we can express as 8 power n multiplied by 8 power m. Let's apply this indices identity so that we'll have 2 to power 1 multiplied by 2 to power log 3 to base 2 multiplied by 2 to power log. This is 5 to base 2, and this is supposed to give again value of 30. Now, as you can see, 2 raised to power log 3 to base 2 and 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which is essentially equal to a. Now, that means from what we have here, we have that 2 log 3 to base 2. This is actually equal to 3. And again, we have that 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2. This will give us a value of 5. So let's substitute from what we have here. We'll have 2 to power 1 multiplied by 2 to power log 3 to base 2, which is equal to 3, multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2, which is actually equal to 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 30. So that means that 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5, and this is equal to 30. And therefore, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is a half plus a half log 3 to base 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. And again, if it is your first time you come across the videos in this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.